Innsbruck. Alps on one side, imperial history on the other. And you're stuck squinting at a plaque from the back of a crowd? A guide rushing you past the golden roof's gilded tiles, past the Habsburgs' imperial halls, no time to actually take it in. Uvamai's Innsbruck self-guided audio tour puts the city's full story in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox, a full audio guide and an interactive map. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand beneath the dazzling golden roof and wander into the Imperial Hofburg Palace. Discover the Habsburg guardians inside the Hofkirche's Silver Chapel and trace Tyrolean treasures at the Ferdinandium. Walk the Grand Maria Theresienstrasse, then look up at the Bergezell ski jump against the mountains. 11 landmarks, one unhurried journey. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Innsbruck, not just photograph it. $6. Innsbruck's palaces, peaks, and history. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.